Okay, this is the HP DPS-600PB power supply. I've got two of them wired together in series here. I'm about to do the fan mod to quieten the fans down a bit, and I'm just going to show you how loud they are before the mod and then after the mod, and also how to do it. So if I just plug it in. Okay. So as you can hear, they are quite loud. Not too loud, but still loud enough. And what we're going to do is on these pins here, we're going to wire pin 4 to pin 8. Okay, so to connect pin 4 to pin 8, I'm going to use an old servo extension lead that I've cut up, and we're just going to strip the wires down to make it a bit easier, since we won't be needing that as such. Okay, so you've done that. Get a Stanley knife and just get it out a little bit, and then you need to put the knife in that tab there, like that. Okay. Just like that. So you're pulling them out, and that will slide on to the pins on the power supply unit. So once you've got your connector set up as so, you just need to just tin this lead so that it's ready to go onto our PSU, because I've already got some tinned on there, you see, so I need to do quite a quick solder, or else it will melt all the others and I'll have to start all over again. But that's what you're looking for basically. It's just the servo pin with just enough wire to reach across to pin 8. So the pin is in position. Just need to solder it. Like I say, I needed to be very careful not to melt the other pins and make a pig's mess of it, but that seems to have gone alright. So if you can see, what I've got pins 10, 8 and 6 together to run the machine, and then pin 4 to 8 to silence the fan. Now I just need to do the other side and we're good. Okay, so the modification's now done. Both units have had pin 4 grounded to pin 8, which puts the fans at minimum speed, and if I just plug it in you can hear the difference. As you can hear, they're a lot quieter and you don't have to shout to hear yourself over them. Just unplug them. Alright. Now this is a really good modification to make, because not only is it quieter, but it's still heat protected. So in other words, if the temperature inside the PSU starts to climb, the fan speed is automatically increased. So you've got no worries of this overheating or anything. All it means is it now runs quietly. What you have to remember is these PSUs were built to be reliable and to be used for a long period of time in server rooms where noise isn't the number one concern, you know. So doing this modification makes it a bit more adapted to our needs. Otherwise, a great PSU. And also the pin references are just on this picture here. Those are the pins as you look at them. So you have pins 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, and it's pin 4 to pin 8 that you need to connect, and I've got pins 10, 8 and 6 connected to make the unit switch on. Okay, I hope you found this useful.